to 100,000 subscribers on this channel. We're about 1,000 subs away. Hopefully by the time this video posts, maybe less than that. So we've teamed up with Whiskey River Trading Company to do a giveaway to kind of mark this milestone of 100,000 subscribers. There's two ways to enter. You can go to Instagram and find the post that I did over there. You can enter on both platforms. You know, it's better chances to win, but you can go to Instagram and enter over there, or you can do it here on YouTube. Only thing you gotta do is like this video. You have to share it on one of your platforms, or at least tell somebody about it. Be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment below. So that's all you gotta do, guys. And like I said, you can go to Instagram and enter over there as well. You have better chances at winning, because we're gonna pull a winner from Instagram and YouTube, then pick a winner between those two with this little program we use for picking random comments. So good luck, everybody, because somebody's gonna win a really nice axe. I actually bought that axe last summer when the pre-order came out. Mine should be here maybe by Thursday or Friday. So we got two rules here on the giveaway. If you're under 18 and you win, I'll have to talk to your parent over the phone to make sure it's okay with sending you an axe. And number two, you gotta live in the USA. So that's the only two rules I gotta go by here. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching the channel. We're almost to 100,000. Hopefully we'll be there by New Year's Eve. That was my goal, but it's looking like by Christmas if we're lucky. So hang in there with me, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for being a subscriber to Out of the Woods.